Hi there. So this is 15-2 extra practice. This is in case, I've already filmed the video for 15-2, just like the initial teaching. This is if you want to go a little bit deeper. So the question I'm going to be looking at is number 10 on page 822. I think you can see that. It's number 10 on page 822, if you want to follow along. It says, at their family's pizzeria, Dan makes 8 pizzas the first hour that they are open and 6 pizzas each hour after that. And so I actually picked this problem because, grab a highlighter, because this one is a little bit different. He's making 8 pizzas the first hour and then 6 pizzas each hour after that. Everything else, we kind of start with one number, like what we did earlier. We start with 45 and then we're increasing by 45 each time. So this one's just, it's got an extra little step in there that makes it a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in Dan's number. So the first hour he makes 8. And then after that, he's going to add 6 each time. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And then 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32, and 32 plus 6 is 38. So after 6 hours, Dan has made 38 pizzas. And then Susan is gonna make 12 pizzas that first hour, and then 6 pizzas each hour after that. So she kind of got off to a bigger start than him, but then they had that same, they're adding 6 each time. So you can see I've kind of highlighted these. I guess I could even highlight this so that you can see which one's Dan and which one's Susan. So she's gonna make 6 pizzas. So this is just gonna count by 6s. So that's gonna be 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and then 42. And then it wants to know, if I go back to my problem, it says if the pizza is open for 6 hours, how many pizzas will they make in all? So what I would need to do now is I would need to take 38 plus 42. Let me do that over here where it's a little bigger. I would need to add 38 plus 42. Make sure that's in frame. We're in frame. So that's going to be 80. So there's going to be 80 pizzas total. And then they'll look for relationships. It says, compare the total number of pizzas made by each person after each hour. What relationship do you notice? And so if you look, the relationship between hour 1 and hour 2 is we have to add 4 from 8 to get from 8 to 12. And then that relationship continues. 14 plus 4 is 18. 20 plus 4 is 24. 26 plus 4 is 30. Because again, they're staying consistent. They're not having like an hour where they make more pizzas or less pizzas, or something like that. And so, yes, Susan has always made 4 more pizzas than Dan is what we're looking for. There. So that is your 15-2 extra practice. I hope that you found, excuse me. I hope that you found that helpful.